Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we discuss about NVM. Okay, that is Node Version Manager. Node Version Manager, right? And it's a tool. It's a tool that allows developers to manage multiple to manage multiple versions of Node.js. Multiple versions of Node.js. Okay, on the same system, same system, right? It's provide easy way. It's provide a easy way to switch between, okay, between Node.js version. It's provide a easy way to switch between different Node.js version, right? Yes. Let's first we need to install our NVM. Okay, right. In this video, I'm explaining I'm explaining only on the Windows. Okay, how to manage multiple versions of Node on Windows using NVM. Using NVM. Okay, right. First, you can go to the Google. Just go to the Google and type MVM download. Right or not? Yes. Once you can type MVM download, you can see that second option to download our MVM. Click that link. Click that link. And you can find download options here. Click that download. It takes time to download MVM on your system. Yes, it start downloading. Okay, you can see that one. Yes, it's installed completely. It installed completely. Now you can click that one. Okay, you can click, double click, it start installing on your system. And you can select this option and it should visible next. Click that next. Once you can click that next, it asks where, in which location you want to install. Okay, leave it default. Then you can click in next one. Okay, it asks a Node.js path. Yes, click next and click on a installed. Click on a install. Finish. Right? Yes. Now you can go to the command line. Go to the command line and type MVM. Just type MVM, you can enter. It's showing this all information means you successfully installed MVM on your system. It indicates you already successfully installed MVM on your system. Right or not? Yes. Now I need to install the multiple version of Node. Right? It's a only tool. MVM is a only tool used for managing a multiple node version on the same system. Very good. Now go to the official site for Node.js. That is nodejs.org. In the description, I will provide this link also. Okay, simply go to the description, click that link, and it should this download options. Right. Now go to the nodejs.org. If you go here, you can just see the option called download. Right or not? Click the download option. In this page, it shows multiple version of our Node.js. Multiple version of our Node.js. See, which version you want, you can just see that all version should display in the drop down. Right or not? Yes. For example, I want this version. Which version? 20.18.0. Now you can go to the command line. I need to install which version? I need to install this version 20.18.0. I need to install this version, right or not? Yes. Simply you can go to the command line and type nvm installed. Which version you want? 20.18.0. Enter. In my system, I am installing the version of 20.18.0. Right or not? It take time to install in your local system. Yes, successfully installed. Now I want to check which versions are available in MVM. Type NVM list. See this version, right? Yes. But in our case, we need to maintain multiple version of node. Right or not? Yes. Simply you can go to that and you can select which version you want. I want this version also. 22.11.0. Simply you can go nvm install. You can install multiple versions. In this demo, I am installing only two. That is 20.18.0. Another one is 22.11.0 versions. You can click that one. Yes, it installing in your system. Right. Once it's installation done, I want to see how many versions of node available in my system, right? Then simply go nvm list. See, I told you now, in this class or in this video, I am explaining only two versions. Which version? 20 and another one 22. Very good. For example, in my system, I want to use which version? 20 version, right? Simply you can change it. nvm use 20.18.0. Enter. Now, in this system, you are using which one? 20.18.0. Right or not? Yes. I want to check that node version is particular version or not. Then type node -v. You can see which version you are using in your system. Right or not? Yes. Now, I just want to see nvm list. If you check this one, okay, see, there is a star mark here. There is a star mark that indicate you are using 20.18.0 version, currently using. For example, I have another project which is running on 22 version of Node. Right or not? Yes. Simply go mvm use 22.11.0. Right or not? Yes. You can click that one. It asks a confirmation. You can provide that confirmation. Now you can see. Okay. Yes. I want to check my node. Current version. Node -v. Enter. It now see. It's showing which version? 22 version. Right or not? Yes. Previously it is 20 version. I want to check current version in my system. NVM list. See, now you are currently version, which version? 22 version only now. Right. Like that, we can manage multiple versions of node on the same system using what? NVM. Okay, right. I just close that command line. Again, I just go to the new command window. Now you can type node -v. Enter. See, that is the version. In your case, you want a multiple version of node. Yes, simply which version you want? Simply first you need to install mvm install. For example, I want to 10 dot something. Yes, you can manage that version also in the system. All right? Yes. Like that, we can manage our node multiple version on the same system. No need to every time you can go to the official site, download the version. No need. In on the same system, you can manage a multiple. Wherever you want, simply you can go to the command line, type MVM, which version you want, you can type that version. Before using that one, if you want to know which versions are available on my system, then you can type MVM list. Click that one. See, like that you can manage your node on the same system, right? If you like the video, and you can like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.